Hi there, it's me, Haspa with WTI.
And if you're looking for a great concealer that helps you cover all those dark circles and hyperpigmentation on your face that you want to get rid of, well, this is the concealer. It is my favorite, and it's actually the most precious makeup product I own. And this one is the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Concealer. And why is it multi-use? Because it's not only for concealing, but it can also be used for contouring and for highlighting. I love the consistency of this product, and that's why it can last for a long time, because it is so creamy and thick that I just use 2 to 4 little dots for my whole face, and it's more than enough. I definitely love the formula of this concealer, and that's why I keep on buying it, and it is definitely my favorite. Something that I love about it is that it has a lot of coverage, so I don't have to apply other concealers or color correctors because this one does the job. I would highly recommend this product to all my friends or anyone.
And that is my point of view.